My name's Esther. I'm a trainee art psychotherapist and I'm currently doing a placement on the stroke ward. And I've been working with the psychology department on this ward to have this group run. So we've tended to have about 3 to 6 people come one morning a week, and for about an hour, hour and a half, we make art together, we have conversation, trying to encourage community, because obviously a lot of these patients are in their bed most of the week, so it's a chance for them to come, be together, do some art making while sharing experiences.
I'm Stella. I've been here in the hospital for 16 weeks. I've done a job all my life, which is I was a chartered architect for 40 years. But of course, when you get super good, like me, you end up dishing the actual designs to other people. So this has been a brilliant chance for me to come in and, get hands-on again. So it was really great to do that.
I think art is important on mental health because a lot of the activities you can do can really slow the brain down and give you a chance to process feelings and emotions of what you might be going through. So obviously on the stroke ward, these people have been through quite a life-changing event. So through art making, it just helps to slow down and really think how does this feel, and how has life changed and what's life like going forward.
We'd like to come, and I will like to do more drawing when I get home very soon. And again, there's that quiet sort of voice for both of the ladies who encourage us to talk about things, experiences here, or our own, what we're drawing and things. Again, very, very helpful.